Modifying the Configuration Settings. The Solo Thermostat has several default configuration settings that you can modify. Fahrenheit, Celsius. The thermostat can be configured to display the temperature in Fahrenheit or Celsius. Temp display. The thermostat is defaulted to display the floor temperature. However, the thermostat can also display the ambient temperature by default. Daylight saving. This feature automatically switches the thermostat to daylight saving time on the second Sunday of March and reverts back on the first Sunday of November. Early start. When this setting is set to on, the thermostat will calculate when to start the floor warming system to ensure the floor is at the desired temperature by the time specified in the programmed schedule. Backlight. The thermostat has 3 backlight settings. In the off setting, the backlight is activated for 12 seconds when a button is pressed. In the low setting, the screen is permanently backlit at low intensity. In the high setting, the screen is permanently backlit at high intensity. Temp control. The thermostat is defaulted to control the floor temperature. However, the thermostat can be configured to control ambient temperature. Refer to section 5.1 in the Solo Thermostat User Guide for more information.